of the biggest issues in strength training is that people confuse grinding with progress. If a rep is slow, shaky, or technically messy, most lifters assume that's what hard training should look like. But when you look at the mechanics, a grind usually means the body is stuck in a position where leverage is poor, tissues are stressed, and force production drops off. That's the sticking point, and straight weight forces every rep to revolve around it. And here's the real problem. When the weakest part of your lift dictates the entire load, you end up training two completely different patterns within a rep. Pattern one, the bottom or midpoint of a lift is overloaded relative to what the body can efficiently tolerate. This is where torque demands are the highest, joint angles are compromised, and connective tissue has to do more stabilizing than producing force. So the body falls into survival mode, which is grinding, straightening, and compensating. Pattern two, so as soon as you move past the difficult positions and leverage improves, the rep becomes underloaded. So the bar gets easier as the body moves into stronger and more stable positions, the exact spots where the force production should be the highest. Instead of accelerating and producing force intentionally, you coast through the top because the load no longer matches what you're capable of. Over time, this mismatch creates a training effect that becomes mechanically costly for the body. You're reinforcing premature fatigue and the vulnerable joint angles, and you're missing the chance to build force where the body actually is designed to produce it. Accommodating resistance fixes this imbalance by keeping the tension meaningful across the entire rep. It reduces unnecessary strain in the leverage poor positions and increases the challenge where the body can safely express those forces. The grind disappears not because the lift got easier, but because the load finally aligns with how the body moves. That's the difference between grinding through a rep and actually training through the full movement. Accommodating resistance comes down to two main tools, which are chains and bands.